Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox wireless headset over to your phone, so when you're playing on your Xbox or something like that, you can go ahead and take audio calls and you can speak to people when you're playing on your Xbox. So this is actually really easy to do. So on our phone, we want to go to the Bluetooth option, so swipe on down from the top and then locate the Bluetooth symbol. So here's Bluetooth and hold down on it. And this is going to open up this page. Now it's going to say stop on the top or scan. So we want to make sure we are searching for Bluetooth devices to connect it. So it's searching right here. Then we want to scroll on down to the bottom where it says available devices. Now go to your Xbox wireless headset and then put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you can see it stopped scanning on the top. Now it says scan. So I'm going to have to go back to my phone and press scan. But turn on your headset by pressing this green button once, then the light is on right here, and then hold down this green button right here for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the light is blinking, it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. Let's go to scan on my phone. So press it right here, and it's scanning. Now I'm going to scroll on down. You can see my Xbox wireless headset. Let's select it on my phone. Boom, select it. Right here, and then go to OK. When it pops up, let's go to OK. And now it's going to be connected to my phone now. You can see I have a slider for Bluetooth right there for my phone. So I can go back over to my Xbox now, and if someone does indeed call me, well, I should be able to take a call and speak to them on my headset. So if we are on the Xbox, let's go to Settings, scroll on down, go to Devices and Connection, go to Controllers and Headset, go to Configure, and then we can go to Incoming Calls. Don't reduce game audio, or mute game audio right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.